Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 3rd, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Apple and technology. From innovative product features to strategic business decisions, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with a major shakeup in the AI industry. OpenAI is reportedly on the brink of bankruptcy, facing potential losses of $5 billion in the coming year. Despite generating $4.5 billion annually from ChatGPT and LLM access fees, the company is struggling with high operational costs, including $7 billion on AI model training and $1.5 billion on staffing. OpenAI was seeking a new funding round, initially expecting participation from tech giants like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Apple. However, Apple has withdrawn its commitment, focusing instead on its own AI developments amid declining iPhone sales. This decision leaves Microsoft and Nvidia to potentially carry the financial burden alone, raising questions about OpenAI's future. Speaking of Apple, the tech giant has introduced a new camera control button on the iPhone 16, designed to enhance photography experiences. In a recent Design Tangents podcast episode, Apple designers Johnny Manzari and Rich Din discussed the button's development. It's flush with the phone's surface and uses force and capacitive sensors, allowing users to adjust settings like composition and exposure with ease. This innovative feature represents a significant advancement in mobile photography, opening up new creative possibilities for users. In the realm of digital note-taking, Forever Notes is a free framework designed for Apple Notes, aimed at simplifying knowledge management. Created by Matthias Hilser, the framework is scalable and user-friendly, promoting a reflective practice by encouraging users to look back on their notes. It's currently in beta, with additional resources expected soon. Users can engage with the community through various platforms and subscribe to a newsletter for tips and tricks. For retro tech enthusiasts, WozTubes, formerly known as Nvidius, is a new client for the Apple II, allowing access to Nvidius and PeerTube services. Users can search for videos, view results with thumbnails, and play videos with sound. The setup requires an Apple II with specific hardware, and future updates may include improved subtitle support. WozTubes complements the existing WozAmp music and video player for the Apple II. In compliance news, Apple has announced that certain models of the Apple Watch sold in China and Indonesia are compliant with wireless power transfer regulations. These models include the Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple Watch Ultra 2, among others. They come with a WPT-compliant magnetic charger, which is incompatible with Apple Watch models purchased outside these countries. This initiative aligns with local regulations in these regions. Turning to software updates, Apple's recent iOS 18 update has raised concerns among app developers due to changes in contact sharing permissions. This feature, known as Contact Sync, has been crucial for the success of social apps like Instagram and WhatsApp. Developers fear these changes could hinder the growth of new social apps, potentially favoring established players and stifling innovation. In app news, YRedesign for Hacker News offers a modern and minimal redesign of the Hacker News website, featuring a dark mode and improved navigation. It's available for iOS devices and ensures user privacy by not collecting data. Meanwhile, Christian Selig's unofficial YouTube app, Juno, designed for the Apple Vision Pro, has been removed from the App Store following a complaint from Google. Despite Selig's efforts to comply with YouTube's guidelines, the app was taken down for violating API and trademark policies. On the development front, Apple's GitHub repository, ML Depth Pro, presents Depth Pro, a project focused on monocular metric depth estimation. This model generates high-resolution depth maps quickly and doesn't require camera metadata, making it versatile for various applications. The project encourages citation and acknowledges open-source contributions. For those interested in learning programming, Fini Learn is a mobile app offering structured lessons and interactive challenges in languages like Python, JavaScript, and Swift. It caters to both beginners and experienced coders, providing a distraction-free learning path with progress tracking and an ad-free premium option. ReadIt is a new app designed to enhance reading speed and comprehension through the RSVP technique. It allows users to read one word at a time, maintaining focus and absorbing information quickly. The app is available for free and ensures user privacy by not collecting data. Inspired by psychological research, the app facilitates deeper connections through curated conversation cards. It's suitable for various social settings and encourages meaningful discussions. However, users are cautioned about potentially triggering questions. Lastly, Poor Decision is an alcohol tracker and mindful drinking companion app for iPhone users. It helps set drinking goals, track consumption, and visualize metrics. The app operates offline, storing data locally for privacy, and is available for a one-time purchase. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple and technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.